guys, so I am in Brooklyn once again, 2 hours away from my home. I came out here to get the Barbie doll ponytail you guys are gonna see, so I'm on my way to get my hair done. So today I am doing a photo shoot for my birthday. My birthday is literally 7 days away. I have something very spontaneous planned for myself, and yeah, so just stay tuned. I'm headed to my hairstylist right now. I'm gonna just give you guys a quick view of where I'm at. So here I am in Brooklyn, just walking. I got my suitcase with me. So yeah, we outside. So it's currently about 12:08. I have my makeup appointment at 2:20 and my photo shoot is at 4:30. So I have about 2 hours on the train back to the Bronx. I'm so hungry right now, oh my goodness. I need to eat something before I just have a really bad attitude. But yeah, so my hair's done. Now it's time to go get the makeup done. And I'll check back in with y'all when it's time for an update. See y'all in a few. Hey you guys, so I'm on a train. I stopped and got me some tacos. I'm about to show y'all what I got. So this looks very interesting. I'm about to eat on this train. Yes, I am. It's kind of empty. Nobody's around me, so I'm about to eat because I'm so hungry. Okay guys, update. So
give me for a minute.
So I'm trying to decide if I want to do like a group of the regular balloons. I'm wearing red. I'm trying to decide. If I do, I will get Claire, happy birthday. I'm looking for this. So this. So here are my balloons. I'm getting some clear ones with some gold confetti. He's blowing it up. Look at that. So I'm about to head to my makeup appointment. I'll probably talk to you guys before the makeup. And y'all gonna see the big face after. All right, you guys, so I'm about to go in to get my makeup done. I got my balloons. And this is my luggage and other things that I have to carry around with me. So let's get this makeup slid. I'll catch you guys in a few. I'm so excited. Hey you guys, so I made it to the location where I'm gonna be shooting at. I bought this outfit today. Y'all like it? So my makeup artist, she also sells these outfits. So I'm about to change my clothes into like my first outfit that I'm about to shoot in. And I'll catch you guys in a few.
My auntie beautiful.
Alright guys, so we're on our way to take a picture. Comment down below. Thank you. At some point, I want to like catch me up going again. Like catch me like in like a Shout out to Lavish Visuals during your catch-up. That's the photographer we're working with today. I'm recording for YouTube. Damn, I try to hold it.
text you. Beautiful.